Good evening, class 12. So we are with the next lecture of the topic determinant. Now first article is about the area of triangle. Okay. So in high school you already read that area of triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by this formula. See, this was the formula for class 10th. Okay. Now in form of determinant, the same formula is written as like this. Determinant is equal to half determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. If you open this determinant, you will reach here. Okay. So this is the alternative form of this formula by determinant. And one thing is that only the absolute values taken for the determinant. Okay. The since the area is positive, so absolute values taken for the determinant. This is the first point. And in the case if area is given, area is already given, then you have to take both plus and minus sign for the consideration. Okay, if area is given, then only. Okay, and then area of determinant of 3 collinear points, if the points are collinear, then no triangle will be formed, so area will be automatically 0. Okay, so this you have to remember. Now see, one question is there from 4.3. Find equation of line joining 1 to 3 6 using determinant. Okay, so we have taken, this is given, a is equal to 1 2, b is equal to 3 6. Okay, there are the 2 points, and pxy I have taken a point on the line itself. So this is the diagram. A 1 2, p is xy is here, 3 6 it is here. So now you see A, P, B are collinear. Okay, so area of triangle by using 3 points will be equal to 0. So that we have used here. So here x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, and area is equal to half x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. Now here I have see all 3 1 are there, so I have applied the property. R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Okay, so I came here, and then see all 2 zeros are here, so expand by C3. So by C3 we get this thing, and your answer is y is equal to 2x. Right? Okay. Actually, next thing is minors. Okay, minors. So minor are denoted by capital M-I-J. Okay, capital M-I-J. So see, for finding minor, okay, suppose you want to find the minor of 1, that is, this will be A11. So for this, okay, means M11 means 1. So minor of 1 will be what you have to do, just delete this row. Okay, just delete this row and delete this column. Okay, so the determinant you are left with is the minor of 1 1. Okay, similarly for minor of 2 2, this is A12. So delete this row and delete this column. So you'll be left with 4 7 6 9. So minor M12 will be 4 7 6 9 determinant. I have done here. M11 is 1 itself. Okay, the value of M11 is 1. This is M11, so 1. Okay, M12, this is 2 here. M13, this will be 4 5 7 8, 4 5 7 8 like this. Okay, then cofactor, they are given by Aij, or somewhere in the books also they have been written as Cij. Okay, Cij. So don't be confused, both the forms can be used. So cofactors of an element Aij. Okay, now the cofactors of the element Aij are what? The same minor you have to write, and then you have to multiply by the corresponding sign of the element. That I told you that every element is carrying a plus minus sign over it. So this is the only sign you have to attach over the minor. So it will become a cofactor. Means cofactor is equal to the minus sign, the sign of the element into the corresponding minor. Suppose again we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A11 means 1. So this will be, now I is 1, J is 1, so minus 1, 1 plus 1. So now we hide this. We are left with 5, 8, 6, 9. So this is 5, 8, 6, 9. Okay. So this will be plus here, and we already know that this is a plus sign over it. Now come for A12. Sorry, this is A21. So A21 will be 4. Okay. So this will carry a negative sign. So A21 will be minus 1 to the power. Here I is 2, J is 1, 2 plus 1, 3. This is minus. And for this we have to hide this. So we are left with 2, 8, 3, 9. So this is 2, 8, 3, 9. Like this we have to find the cofactors. Okay. Only if you put the sign across the minors of the element, it becomes the cofactor. Okay. Now see, it is important here. If A is equal to A11, A12, 3, these are the determinant. Then how we get the value of the determinant? So delta will be, I told you always how to expand. Suppose by row 1 they are expanding. So A11. Okay. Then sign of A11, and this will be the determinant here. Means how you expanded the determinant according to row and column. So they are given by row. So this is the first one. Then second one, A12. A12, its sign will be negative. Then its cofactor will come here like this. Then A13, sign will be minus 1, 1 plus 3, and like this. Okay, this is a simple expansion you have done. Only the chronological order I have written here in A13 and sign, etc. So now see, what is this I have encircled. Okay, this thing I have encircled. So these are the what? These are the nothing but the cofactors. Cofactors of this, cofactor of this, cofactor of this, cofactor of this. So this can be written as A11 into capital A11, A12, A12, A13, A13, right? So these are the elements multiplied by their cofactors of any row or column. So one thing is here, if element of any row or column, see, if element of any row or any column are multiplied by cofactors of any other row or column, then their sum is equal to 0. Means, see, they are multiplied by the same one, A11, A11, A12, A12. Now, if you multiply by the cofactors of any other row or column, then the value will be 0. See, here it is A11, and this is the cofactor of second row. This is the element of first row, and this is the cofactor of second row. First row, and this is the cofactor of second row. So this will be 0. Similarly, this is A11, this is the cofactor of third row. First row, cofactor of third row, first row, cofactor of third row is equal to 0. So children, verify this by yourself. You can do it in the exercise. So actually these things are very important. So I wish you could do this. So first you do this, and the second thing is prepared. So that I'll be posting by tomorrow only. So till then, children, you have to do exercise 4.3 and 4.3 and 4.4 you have to do. Okay, so do these two exercises today, because the next topic is very much lengthier, so I'm not including in this. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. So till then, do 4.3 and 4.4. Thanks.